Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, second grade, Module 3, Lesson 6. You should be on page 39. All right, you guys are getting into new stuff now. We're working on shapes and all kinds of stuff like that. So it's a little bit new. Make sure you pay attention. Make sure you have this page cut out. You should have page 37. You should have brought it home with you. Page 37. Make sure you have that cut out. It's going to help you with your homework. All right. So let's look at number 1 here and make sure while I'm thinking about it, I've got to grab my marker, get that off there. Make sure you like and subscribe for me. Let's help me out. Help me out so I can help you out, so you can help out, so I can help out. Wait, how does that work? Hold on. That's how it works again. If I help you out, then you can help me out by subscribing, and maybe it'll be help all of us get a little bit better. All right. Let's keep going. I found my marker. See, I was really getting it. All right. Cut out the pattern blocks. You're supposed to cut all these out. It says Lee decomposed. Remember, decompose is to break apart the rhombus into smaller shapes. He made one trapezoid and 2 triangles. Can you see that on here? 1 trapezoid and 2 triangles. So here, in case you can't see it, here it is. Here's a trapezoid. See that? And then a triangle. Hold on, let me grab another marker, another color. Okay, here's a triangle. I know I got a blue. It's just like the green. It's the closest one I had. Okay, there's that. And then he's got one more down there. And I don't know if you'll be able to see this one, but we're going to try this. Here's the other triangle. I know. I should have used the brighter ones the whole time. I apologize. There. So we can see one trapezoid. Here's our trapezoid. Here's one triangle. Here's 2 triangles. Okay? So it says, show 2 more ways to decompose the rhombus into smaller shapes. Then name the shapes you made. All right. So what you want to do is take these figures you cut out and try to make different ones, right? See what else you can put in there to decompose. Just try not to use the exact same shapes you used up here. So let's see. What could we put in there that would, do you see any shapes when you're looking? Take what you cut out, see if you can fit stuff in there. All right, let's see. Maybe we can try, let me do this. Let's see if we can make it out of different shapes. What could we do? Could you do, there's a triangle. Okay, let me get a bunch of different colors here. Let's see how many, maybe, can we do this without triangles, you think? Go through my desk. It's all right here. Grab all these colors. All right, we got one triangle there. I see another triangle here. All right, I can do another triangle right. Where did I see that triangle? Oh, there it is. I could do another triangle right here. Like there's a triangle. I can do another triangle on the back side of that triangle. Triangle here. Okay, and then if I look there, what is this shape called? Right here. What is that shape called? Who remembers that? What is that one called? Do you remember? Is that a rhombus? It could be. But you know what every rhombus is? If you divide a rhombus upright, what do you get? Who remembers? Anyone? I divide this rhombus here. I got a shape. If I divide this rhombus, you know what? Let's leave it rhombus. We can do more rhombuses. So if I do a rhombus there, I can also do, where's my blue marker? Let's do another rhombus right here. All right. So I would write down rhombus, rhombus, triangle, 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 triangle. I think if you really tried, you could do more triangles too. All right. I want to see who can fit an octagon inside there. Can you fit an octagon inside one of these? Can you take that yellow octagon, cut it out, and fit it inside there? Maybe a smaller one, maybe a bigger one. Who knows? Can you fit a square in there anywhere? Get creative. Have some fun with this. This is just a big puzzle. That's all this is a puzzle. See if you can fit together to make this shape. All right. I helped a little bit. I talked you through it. I don't think this one you need a ton of help, but I want to make sure I'm always here to help you out if you're looking for a little extra help. On the back, guess what? Nothing. You just have this one quick page. You only have one more thing you have to work on your own. Okay? So make sure, cut these out, see if you can make the shape. I hope that helps you. I'm Mr. Short. This was Eureka Math Squared, 2nd grade, Module 3, Lesson 6 homework help on page 39. Make sure you got page 37 and cut it out. If not, it's not going to be easy to do. All right. Have a good day.